To record sounds by using Poco F8 Ultra, you can do this by opening this recorder application over here. And right now we have to click on this icon. So as you can see, right now there's everything shown on this text pool. You can also pick a language, by the way, but if you want to ignore this feature, you can click on the X, and now it's just start recording. You can also set a mark if you want to actually mark some important things in your conversation when it's like super long. Also, you can take the photos if you want, so you'll have to grant permission for the camera, then tap on it again to take a photo. Now we can simply pause this by clicking here and continue. And also we can finish by clicking just over here. Now as you can see, there's our current way to play it. You can enhance voice, you can show voice script or show text, and that's basically everything. That's how it looks. I hope you find it useful, and thanks for watching one more time.